How's it going, Corey? And we back here again. Thanks for checking out my channel. We're gonna go over real quick. Are you ready to ride the next wave? You guys seen in the last few years, we had some big waves come through with the Infinity Processing System, with the MRR Master Resellers, right? With the Traffic Power Line, with what's another one? Um, there's so many different opportunities out there, and so many different opportunities where you can start being a digital marketer and making a fully substantial at-home income. I want to share with you today my six-figure blueprint, the marketing system, which is a one-time payment of $150, and you can start generating unlimited $100 bills using this system and reselling it with a reseller's right once you buy and own the course. The link is in the description in the bottom. You don't need no experience needed. They teach you how to market the business. They have resources that you could utilize to be able to start marketing the business and getting your attention to your online opportunity. Now, I've been using the marketing system, and if you guys been here on my page, and if you checked out my channel and a lot of my content, I have talked about my six-figure blueprint. But I just want to give you guys a heads up. It's about to blow up. They have partnered with the Infinity Processing System, which has over 7,000 members. And once this system get into their hands, everyone's going to be promoting this. So if you want a leg up on promoting this, you want a leg up, get the head start running, click the link, get to the description at the bottom, click the link, join in. It's only a $150 payment. And once you join with the six-figure marketing system, you'll be joining with me. You're going to get ongoing guidance and ongoing help from me. So I also included my Facebook link in the bottom of the description, so that way you can get with me on Messenger. I love to talk to you guys and explain more about the business. You can also go to the link and watch the 3-minute video that shows you what this business is all about. You can start earning those $100 commissions fast, and it's a done for you system. So there's done for you video pages, video sales page like this one. There's done for you capture pages. Excuse me, guys. Hey, excuse me, I do apologize. It's 6:36 in the morning. Everybody here in my house getting up, getting ready to go to school, and I'm making videos so that way I can spend the rest of the day with my favorite little co-worker, May. But anyways, not to jump off subject, you don't need any experience. They're going to show you how to get results with resources, and I'm going to take you over to show you some of the resources that they help you with to be able to promote this opportunity. Now, if you're joining in, you join under with me. Again, you're going to have my ongoing guidance and support on getting your home-based business up and going. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to help and be a consistent guidance for you. If you new to online marketing, if you've been in online marketing, you've been struggling to make sales, you've been struggling to get people to see your opportunity, I would love to work with you and help you start generating income and help you start getting more eyeballs to your opportunity. Now, I'm going to go over real quick 50 ways to promote this business. They give you over 50 different descriptions on how you can start leveraging these different ways to be able to promote your opportunity and get things rolling and jumping on the ball for you. If you don't like video marketing and you don't want to show your face, they do have a resource here. I'm going to click on the Get Traffic tab inside of the back office, so you don't have to stray away to look for those resources to start generating traffic. So if I click the tab here, it's going to send me to a solo ad vendor with Udemy, which I use, and I do like some of the ad vendors in there. Has brought me multiple leads in my opportunity. how to buy Google ad and campaigns, direct postcard, postage stamp, cheap stamps. So they have 3 different levels, which is the marketing system what I'm talking to you about right now. The library, which comes full of different attraction marketing training, content training, and other top marketers who has seen success. There's different strategies they use to be able to bring more eyeballs and attention to their online opportunities. Now, they have the resellers club. These are the resellers club is going to give you everything across the board, access to the library, access to the marketing system. And with the resellers club, they give you done for you video imaging, ad campaigns, and you'll be able to do postcard marketing with the resellers club. So the resellers club is a $1,500 upfront fee. No more fees after that. This is a one-time payment. You'll receive $1,000 for every commission for everyone who joins up under you. The library package is $400, one-time payment, no monthly fees. You'll make $300 for everyone join up under you. They have a 2-tier compensation plan. I'll go over that in just a minute. And then you have the marketing system is a one-time $150 payment, and you'll be able to receive $100 in commissions. Now, when it comes to the 2-tier payment plan, when you own the resellers club and someone joins underneath you and they make a $1,500 pay and they make a $1,500 commission, you're gonna get $250 and leverage commissions off the work of someone else being able to bring in leads and sell through the system. With the library package, you'll be able to make $50 commissions, and with the marketing system, you'll be able to make $25 commissions off of the leverage. So this can turn into passive income. So whenever someone on your team is making sales, you'll make a passive pass-up sale. Awesome. So this is an awesome brand new opportunity. It's still the new kid on the block. You can get in on this before it's heavily saturated. Tomorrow is going to be a 90-day to 10K launch when it comes to the Infinity processing system. So a lot of people are going to be joining this opportunity. You can get the early bird special and join in today. Hit the link in the bottom of the description. It's going to go over the information on how to get started. And again, if you get started with me, I'm going to get my ongoing guidance. I'm going to help you as much as possible. I have my Facebook link in the description. Please get with me on Messenger if you want to know more or talk to me more. I'm eventually happy to talk with people and help those who need guidance and get their business up and going. I'm going to see you guys on the inside. I'm going to check you guys out later, and I'll be back with another update on my 6-figure blueprint and its marketing system. That's my end for this morning. I'm going to go finish my coffee, get the kids going. I'll see you guys later.